Hey guys, Jackie from Awesome AJ here, and today in this video I'm going to show you some Animal Jam updates. Okay, wrong thing. Pet hours are coming to Jama, but they always have been in Jama. But yeah, more den items. Members are allowed to have 400 items in their den. Yay! They can place up to 300 items in their den, which I don't have 300 items in my den. Sad face. Yeah, this Night of the Phantoms. Have a spooky and silly fun as possible. Okay, good. We have good news and bad news, jammers. The good news is that as Liza was exploring, she was able to take a photo of the new animal that will be coming to Jama. The bad news is the photo was taken in the middle of a snowstorm. Yeah, a snowstorm. And I know what this animal is. It's a panda. I mean, it's not a panda. Sorry. Tongue twister. Sorry, but it's a polar bear. And the second update to my is to my channel. I'm going to be having give me a drum roll, please. Oopsie. Give me a drum roll, please. To my channel. I mean, a music video. So, yes, this music video will be on my channel, but I'm still not done with it. Ugh. This is what I had to do to my animals. Look at my incredible Rocky Bunny. Same with my enchanted Arctic Wolf. So weird. So, anyway, that's it for today's video. Catch you in the next one. Bye!